CUK MSI GP73 Leopard Gaming Laptop Leopard GP73 609. Review deal discount unboxing setup. Overall pretty happy with this laptop. I got the GTX 1060 with 500GB SSD plus 1TB HDD and 32GB RAM. Compared to other laptops with the same caliber of components, this MSI setup is the best value for your money. I've been impressed by MSI's graphics cards in past desktop builds and this laptop didn't disappoint. Thanks to the upgrades added by CUK, it makes anything from gaming to project work a breeze. The 17-inch screen allows me to have multiple windows up for multitasking. Aesthetically it looks great. I like it because it's not overly flashy like many gaming laptops on the market. My only two complaints are, 1, the battery life while unplugged is horrible, and 2, the trackpad isn't anything to brag about. The battery may last me 3-4 hours before needing recharging. The trackpad was not a big deal to me since I have a wireless mouse that I use. If anyone has been on the fence about getting a new gaming laptop, I would absolutely recommend this one. This is an excellent computer with great specs and it performs wonderfully. However, the machine came preloaded with malware, detected by Malwarebytes, samples verified via hybrid analysis and VirusTotal, etc., which is not surprising, but is very concerning, especially for those consumers who are not IT savvy or InfoSec, IT security savvy. To that end, I strongly encourage anyone who buys this product or an MSI computer, laptop to run their own antivirus, AV, and anti-malware scan to ensure that they are not being monitored and/or to prevent unauthorized, remote access of their system. If the developers at MSI or MSI themselves would like to contact me to verify these claims, I would be more than happy to share my findings so that they can either acknowledge this as a known issue and/or better secure their products out of box. Screenshot of the suspicious IOCs, located in the C:\Windows\temp\folder, were added to this review for reference. Lastly, I am 100% open to being incorrect about this machine being preloaded with malware, though an anti-malware scan was performed prior to engaging in any type of regular use, which leads me to believe that this is indeed suspicious and deserves further review. Thank you. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.